the ultimate anti-aging show for every decade, and we're up to your fabulous 40s. Welcome to your 40s. You're confident and assured, but still pulled in all directions. Jobs, kids, aging parents all need you more than ever before, leaving you with no time for yourself. Your usual workout routine isn't cutting it anymore. The pounds are piling on. And as the connective tissue in your face breaks down, your face begins to resemble a roadmap. Wrinkles line your forehead, eyes, around your mouth. Brown age spots begin dotting your skin. And the dreaded turkey waddle starts forming beneath your chin. The last straw, those unsightly underarm bat wings, caused by your body losing its natural elasticity. Turning back the hands of time takes on new urgency. A lot of folks examining their necks and arms. I'm nervous for you, but don't be, because Dr. Doris Day is a dermatologist visiting with us. She's in her 40s.
Yes.
She can teach us about how we can avoid all these things. You say at the start that 40-year-old women are missing out on a wonderful way to keep their skin glowing.
That's true. You know, your segment showed it so beautifully that women in their 40s, we're really busy. We often have young children, growing families, full careers. We really do it all, but we don't make time for ourselves. So one great and easy way to get a beautiful glow is sex. And if you're single, don't worry. You don't always meet the guy. So it's...
But it works, though?
Yeah. It's really not a myth that it's great for your skin. So it's a conversation that I sometimes actually have to have with patients, that they need to take care of themselves on every level. Everything shows in your skin.
I never knew that.
It's true.
Yet one more reason. Let's find out how much 40-something women know about their skin. Elise and Jeanette are joining us. They're both in their 40s, and they're here to play anti-aging fact or fiction. Here's how it works. I'm going to read a statement, and you have to hold up your signs to tell me if what I've said is fact or fiction. Audience, you can shout, yell, scream, dance. If you think our statement is fact or fiction, be helpful to our two contestants. As I reveal the answers, Dr. Day will tell you what to avoid, what to buy, and what to consider for your 40s. You ready to play?
Yes.
All right. Your first question. Sleeping in the same position every night causes wrinkles. Fact or fiction? Ooh.
I think fiction.
They both say fiction. It is in fact.
It is a fact. It is a fact. Because what happens in your 40s is that all the damage you've done in your 20s and 30s is starting to show in the form of wrinkles. And so that creates paths of least resistance. And if you sleep on your face or on your side, that path of least resistance is going to get worse and worse, and that's going to create deeper wrinkles. If you sleep on your back, it's not such a problem.
So, Dr. Day, what do these women need to avoid?
Well, one thing to avoid still is sleep deprivation. So we want you to sleep, but maybe just not on your face. And caffeine is really a problem if you have it within 4 to 6 hours of bedtime.
All right, now redeem yourselves now. Question number 2. Olive oil cures age spots. Fact or fiction?
I think fact.
Oh, a difference of opinion. Jeanette says fact. Elise says fiction. It is, in fact, fiction. It is a fiction. Why is that?
Well, olive oil is a great hydrator, and it's one of my favorite ingredients for eating. And it's great on salads and foods and to hydrate your skin in a pinch. But it will not help age spots. If you have hydrated skin, your skin will look plumper, but that doesn't really cure a wrinkle.
So what should women in this decade buy?
So in this decade, you want to buy products that are brighteners, such as hydroquinones. And hydroquinones are available in over-the-counter products, but even better as a prescription from your dermatologist. It's also really important to have a skin cancer screening to make sure that those sunspots and brown spots are only from the sun and not something more dangerous. And in your 40s, it's really a good idea to have a regular screening to make sure your skin is as healthy and beautiful as possible.
All right. 1-0 lead. Let's see how they do. Number 3 question. Losing weight can cause sagging skin. Audience, what do you think? Fact or fiction? They all say fact, and they're right. It's a fact.
Yes, unfortunately, this time they are right. I wish I could say it was otherwise, but it's true. That weight gain and loss over time ends up being more loss, and when you add to it people who smoke or drink or have had excess sun exposure, it starts to show in your 40s. But the good news is there is something that you can do about it.
And it is. This is
And
something
it
you should
is.
consider.
It's something you should consider. This is Thermage. This is the handpiece. It's actually a whole device, which we didn't bring because it's a little heavy. But Thermage, this is the tip. It's radio frequency that helps with tissue tightening. It's great for the face, but also areas off face as well. When we showed for cellulite, it can help improve that as well. But this is a great no downtime, minimally painful, really more discomfort than anything, procedure. And you see some of the results right away and some of it over time, and it does last. So this is a great non-invasive, non-surgical way to get great tissue tightening in a very natural way.
How many treatments?
It's typically one treatment for the face. You may need 2 or 3 for the body.
Why do you ask, Lisa? Are you considering it?
Sure. I'll try anything once.
Well, you won the contest.
I did.
Yes, and I've got a surprise for you. Dr. Day is giving you a free evaluation in case you need Thermage.
Okay.
Yeah? And if you need it, then she'll do it with you.
Absolutely.
Is that fair?
Thank you. Yes.
You're really encyclopedic insights. You know, it's
Thank
good
you.
when you have someone who's actually 40 giving you advice for 40-year-olds because you research this for both personal
I
and
live it
professional
every
reasons.
day, and I believe in aging successfully. I don't think aging is a bad thing, but I think aging gracefully means when you age successfully, you eat well, you take care of yourself, you enjoy life, and then you take what comes.
So I don't want you to forget that in your 40s, I want you to avoid sleep deprivation. I want you to buy hydroquinone. I want you to consider Thermage. And a very special thank you to Dr. Day.
Thank you.
When we come back, the anti-aging guide continues. Your 50s next.